Hi and welcome back to part 2 in my Meridian Power User series. In this video we'll be looking at revisions, up-revving documents, document comparisons and property comparisons. In this example I will be taking a document through a vanilla workflow with an admin account. If we view the all to-do list, we can get a better look at the document as they progress through the workflow. As you can see from the icons to the left of the users, some of them currently have documents which are under change or in the workflow. Note that the revision numbers for each document appear in the revision number column. The example vault used for this video is a basic configuration which increments documents alphabetically. The status of a document is displayed in the Properties window. Upon clicking Status, a diagram for that document's workflow will be shown. From the workflow diagram, you can see a more visual representation of the current status of the document through its workflow. In this example, the document is under change and is shown so in the diagram. To start with, we will right-click and Submit Document. We now have to enter a comment. The document now has appeared in the Assign for Review folder. Again, right-click, Start Review, enter an additional comment, the document will now appear in the Review folder. Again, right-click and Approve, along with another comment. And finally, the document has appeared in the Release folder. And we can fully release the document from here, along with its final comment. If we now search for the newly released document, we can make a change to the released version. Before we can make a change, an additional comment will be needed. Upon making the change, the new revision of the document will be created. If we now return to the all to-do list, we can see the new revision of the document has appeared, with a revision number of B instead of its previous A. Throughout document workflows, many comments can be added. These are also found within the Properties window. In the example shown, this document is in its 4th revision, Revision D, and all of the comments through the document's lifespan can be found here. Another great feature of Meridian Power User is being able to compare documents. In this example, I am comparing a DWG file with one of its earlier revisions. In this comparisons window, we can see both files at the top of the screen with the compared results displayed below. Within the results window, any additions are displayed in green, any deletions are displayed in red, and anything which has stayed the same throughout both files is displayed in yellow. Now zoomed in, we take a closer look at this picture and we can see that this doorway has been changed. The change was that the doorway was removed from one side and placed to another, both displayed in their respective colours. From the comparisons window, the user can also compare the properties for each document by selecting Compare Property Value. From the Compare Properties window, all of the properties and metadata are displayed for each of the documents. Any details highlighted in red is details which differ or have changed between each document. So just a final overview of what's been covered in this video: document workflows, revisions, and document comparisons. Thanks for watching.